Hello and welcome to the new application. This is a multiple-choice questionnaire, MCQ, developed with Microsoft Access. This application has been designed to offer an interactive and personalized experience for knowledge assessment and learning. Le menu principal de l'application est composé de 4 boutons essentiels, chacun offrant de fonctionnalités spécifiques pour améliorer l'expérience utilisateur et la gestion de données. Voici une explication détaillée de chaque bouton. Start the test. This button launches the multiple-choice questionnaire, MCQ. You will be guided through a series of 20 questions designed to assess your knowledge in the chosen field.
Enrich the database. This button allows you to add new questions and answers to the existing database. This way, you can enhance the content of the application to better meet your needs or those of your users. Update questions and answers. This button is used to review and update existing questions and answers in the database. This includes correcting errors and adjusting content to ensure accuracy. You can modify questions and answers if there are mistakes or to improve content quality. This feature is crucial for maintaining the relevance and accuracy of the quiz questions. Change password. This button allows you to change the default password of the application. Once modified, the new password protects access to the quiz answers and management features. By changing the password, you ensure that only authorized individuals can access the answers and settings of the application. This adds an extra layer of security to protect the integrity of the test. Exit the application. When you have finished using the application, click this button to exit the application safely. To start the test, click the Start Test button. When you open the form, start by selecting the area of knowledge that interests you. For example, you might choose categories such as general knowledge. After selecting the area of knowledge, click the Start Test button to begin the questionnaire. The application will then display the first question of the test, with 4 answer options to choose from. Answering the questions. For each question, you will see 4 possible answers. Only one of them is correct. Choose the answer you think is correct. After selecting your answer, click the Submit button to finalize your choice. Evaluating the answer. The application evaluates your response immediately after you click Submit. Correct answer. If your answer is correct, you receive a point and a confirmation message. Incorrect answer. If your answer is incorrect, the application displays the correct answer next to the question, and you receive a message indicating 0 points. Once you have submitted your answer, click the Next button to display the following question. The test continues with the new question, and the process of selecting and submitting your answer repeats. Repeat this process for all 20 questions in the test. At the end of the questionnaire, the application will calculate and display your final score at the bottom of the form. If you wish to take another test in a different area of knowledge, you can select a new domain. Click the option to choose a new area and start the test again by following the previous steps. Enrich the database. Click the Enrich Your Database button in the main menu of the application. A window will open asking you to enter the password to access this feature. By default, the password is 0000. After entering the password, click Submit to access the database enrichment form. You can also change the password later to secure access. Add questions and answers. Choose the area of knowledge to which you want to add questions, e.g., general knowledge. Enter the question you want to add in the designated field. Ensure the question is clear and well formulated. Enter the possible answers for the question. You must provide several answers, with only one being correct. Indicate the correct answer by selecting it using a radio button. Before saving the new questions and answers, the application checks that all required information is complete. Field validation. Ensure you have selected a knowledge area, entered the question, provided all the answers, and indicated the correct answer. If any information is missing, an error message will appear to inform you of the missing data. You will not be able to save the data until all fields are correctly completed. Once all required information is correctly entered, you can save the new questions and answers to the database. Add a new knowledge area. This feature allows you to expand the knowledge areas available in your quiz application. Follow these steps to add a new domain and use it in your tests. Click the Add button. Type the name of the domain you wish to add, for example, Artificial Intelligence. Click OK to save the domain name. This name will be automatically added to the list of available domains in your application. Add questions to the new domain. Once the domain is added, you need to enter questions for this domain. Select the new domain, choose the newly added domain from the list. Enter questions and answers. For each question, enter the question in the designated field. Enter the possible answers in the corresponding fields. Select the correct answer. Add at least 20 questions. It is recommended to enter a minimum of 20 questions for the domain. Ensure that the questions cover various aspects of the domain for a comprehensive evaluation. Click Save after entering each question to add it to the database. Check the list of domains. When preparing a test, verify that the new domain now appears in the list of available domains. When you choose to take a test, the newly added domain will be available in the list of knowledge area options. Delete a knowledge domain. Click on the domain you wish to delete. Ensure that the selected domain is the one you want to remove. Once the domain is selected, click on the Delete button at the bottom of the form. Warning: deleting a domain also deletes all questions and answers associated with that domain. Once the domain is deleted, the data within that domain will be irreversibly lost. Update a question and its answers. Select the question to edit. Once the question is selected, the input fields will be filled with the current details of the question and associated answers. Modify the question text, adjust the text of the question if needed. Modify the answers, change existing answers, or add new options if necessary. Ensure you mark the correct answer if any changes have been made to it. After making the changes, click on the Update or Update button to save the changes. Change the password. Enter the current password. Type 0000, which is the default password. Click on the Validate button to verify that the current password is correct. This step ensures that you have the necessary rights to change the password. Enter the new password. You will now see fields to enter a new password. Type your new password. Make sure it is sufficiently secure by combining letters, numbers, and symbols if possible. In the confirmation field, type the new password again to ensure it matches the one you entered previously. This helps confirm that there are no typos. After entering and confirming the new password, click Validate to apply the changes. The next time you access the application settings or any function requiring authentication, you will need to use your new password. Make sure to remember it or note it down in a safe place. To verify that the change has been applied correctly, try logging in or accessing the settings using the new password. We have reached the end of this application demonstration. We hope you found this presentation informative and useful for understanding the features of our quiz application. You will find the link to download the application in the description section. Thank you for your attention, and see you in the next video.